Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jovelyn Gaking, 41 years old, from Philippines. My height is 153 centimeter. I have three children, one boy and two girls. Their age is 19 years old, 16 years old, and 11 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Cyprus for 2 years. There are four members of the family, two adults, one child, and one baby. My main duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing. And also, I take good care of the baby, like changing the diaper, feed them, and bath them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money, to have a better living, to support my family. I am trustworthy, honest, obedient, and hardworking. And also, I want to learn how to cook Chinese food. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you, and I will renew if needed. Thank you.